Others are performances fit for the stage. 300 years, great stories are started in the same way. One time in New Orleans. What are you doing? What happens when Cohen Children's Medical Center looks at tomorrow differently? We make genomic connections that reveal children's futures. Because cancer changes your genes, every personalized cure we find can inform